Hello and welcome to Forge Bits. In today's video, we're going to make like a map that's like extruded, like this one. This is actually similar to the gem art that we created. We're just gonna need to add a few more nodes to create this type of art. Like it's going up. Actually, there's another use for this one. Like if you want to create a for data science, for like you want to visualize the population of countries, you just need to download a map from Google with the information, and then you can just import it here. But yeah, enough of the chatter. I'm going to show you how to do this. So we're going to start with a new blend file. So just like before, we hide the cube because we don't want to kill the cube. So let's start with the plane. We're gonna subdivide the plane by a lot, like 128 perhaps, and then we go to geometry nodes and create a geometry node. Make sure the plane is selected. So just like before, we start with instance on points, like that. Then we need something to instance, like we could use a cube node, or you could use the cube here, drag it here, like this one. So you could use this one. It's practically the same, but anyway, let's just do this one. So yeah, we are almost doing the same exact thing as we did earlier. Maybe 0.0.18. There you go. And then we realize the instance, and then we set the material like that. So take note of the nodes. It's either this or that. Then let's just recycle the old material, the built-in material. And then we are going to add the image here, image texture. This is where we will load the image that will be projected. So I'm gonna search for my Forge Bits logo, this one. And then we connect the vector. Remember the first two tutorials that we had? The vector goes to the group input and the color goes to the group output. And then we set this to UV map, and let's just call this image texture or logo. In the previous tutorials, I used logo here. You just need to make sure it matches the name that we're going to use on the shading. So yeah, I think it's the best time now to go to our shading editor. Just take note of the nodes that we have here. Instance on points, cube goes to instance, realize instance, set material, and there you have it. Image texture goes there. So we're going to the shading tab, and then select the material, and then add the attribute. There you go. Then this should have the same title that we had earlier, and there you have it. Next, so basically this is the gem art tutorial, so take note of that. We're now gonna modify these geometry nodes to make it like have different levels or different height of cubes depending on the color. So first, so we're going to get the information from here, since we have the image texture here. So we're going to add a separate RGB. I'm pretty sure you're guessing where I'm going with this setup, so that's good. I'm gonna move these towards here because we're gonna add more stuff here. We're going to have like an RGB curve, and then we're going to have the combine XYZ in here. Oh, don't forget that we need the color information to go here. So it's like we just taken the color information into a detour, but we still need the color information going to the output. So make sure you take note of that. Color information from the image texture goes to the group output. And then we split the output of the color, separate the RGB, connected to the RGB curve, and then recombined, because this will like normalize or adjust, because we might need to adjust the inputs. So we have it there. Actually, you could just directly connect it, but yeah. Oh, we need to have it at the Z coordinate because we are going to have the height information. Then make sure to set this to 1, because if these are 0, we won't have any more geometry. So just set it to 1. You'll see. Let me just get the scale instance, because this is what we need to finally see the information. So let's see if I set this to 0. Oh, it's not working. Oh, disable the local space. There you go. What else am I missing? Color booster, separate RGB. Maybe we need to amplify the output. Oh, there's an error here. Let me check the error. Scale, realize data. Oh, so yeah, before we realize, it should be this should be in here. So let me just remove all these. There you go. Connect it here, move it here, like that, plug it in here. There you go. So as you can see, we don't have any more geometries because we have this at 0, so make sure that's 1. And as you can see, there's something going on now, but it's very low. So yeah, that's the reason we want to have this one, but still very low. So we could add like a math node here, set it to like multiply and set it to maybe high enough number. Oh, there you go. So as you can see, we have like going up. We could add another plane and perhaps have it to like negative 0.1, and then maybe make it let's see, let's give it its own material. Oh, set it to maybe black. There you go. Maybe oh, 0.1. Maybe have it metallic and no roughness. Oh, yeah, I think I like this one. So yeah, that's how you make that type of design. So you could change the, instead of a cube, you can use like this one, connect it here like that, and then scale it. I think it's too big. Oh no, it's too small. 0.01. I think they're still overlapping. Oh, I remember. I think it's being affected by, I think, the cube that we're using. Let's go where the cube is. This one. Yeah, it's got its own material, so we're going to remove the material here, and then as you can see, it's still doing weird stuff. So select the cube, go to this one, go to UV maps and delete this one. There you go. So if you are going to use a different object, make sure it doesn't have its own UV map, otherwise it's going to appear like that. Kindly take note of that. So yeah, so let's say we change the cube into like, maybe add a bevel modifier. So as you can see, it gets affected. So if you want like a pointy object, maybe a cone, put this one down. Let's hide the cube. Make sure. Oh, I'll just let it cause the error again. I'm gonna select the cone, and as you can see, we are encountering the same problem again. So just remember to select the object that you're using, select the object data properties, and then delete the UV map like that. And there you have it. We used pointy cones for this one. Next, let me turn this back to cube, the original data. So next, we're going to try using map, like the population map. Let me show it to you. So I'm going to load a population map. I think it's somewhere here. There you go. So yeah, since we used whoops. Say hello to my birdie. Oh, he's out of the camera range. Anyway, I'm going back to the geometry nodes, and then we're going to like invert the thing here, because as you can see, the red ones are like lower. So we're going to use map range just to swap the numbers. So like from 0 to, let's say, 20, because I used a multiplier here. We're going to have it like 20 to 0, like that. And then it's probably best that we do it before we combine it, because now, like, look at that, it's skewed, because we're affecting both all the vertices, so it's not going to be in there. We're gonna have to do it in here. So there's a legend here, so we could see, or we could test if it's correct. I think where's my my birdie wants to drink water. Come on, don't be shy, come up here. I'm gonna show it to say hi to our viewers, and it's drinking water. Okay. There you go. So yeah, after adding those, after having the map range, as you can see, the height like normalized. So now we can probably just need to modify this one to like have the rest like flattened out. Maybe we just need this one. I think this would be like 40 to 40. Oh no, it didn't help. But we almost got the, oh, I remember now. There's like a double thing here. going on. So let me just add a big plane so we don't see the underside, but still we need to adjust stuff here. Maybe let's set this to 10, set these to 20 until we get 0 to 20, 0, 0. Let's see, is it 10? No, it doesn't have any. Oh, there you go. Why is it that my first time typing there doesn't get the effect that we wanted? So there you have it. The legends here, although we should have like these ones here are like the text telling us about the legend. That's why there's a lot of information here. Just ignore it if you look at the whole image. Yeah. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to display the actual image that we're using. I don't want to get flagged. So yeah, that's the population. Like, of course, China over here, and I think this is, yeah, there's a lot of population here, probably India, and then of course there's a lot of concentrated population on major cities like there too. But yeah, that's how you do it. Yeah, I'm loitering the video now. So this is supposed, forge bits are supposed to be concise tutorial. So there you have it. If you like these types of video, press the like button. If not, press the dislike button. And we suggest that you subscribe to our channel so that and click that bell icon so you don't miss those tutorials that we put up. And don't forget that we have live streams between 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. EST. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye!